Why do some people lose faith in justice? Why do so many walk into court expecting fairness, only to leave feeling betrayed? It's not always the judges. It's not always the law. A lot of times, it's the lawyers, the few bad ones, who give a bad name to the many good ones, and in the process, damage the very foundation of our legal system. In this video, I'll show you how unethical lawyers use the legal system against innocent people, how they manipulate judges, and how their misconduct leads to injustice, not just for one person, but for all of us. It starts with character assassination. A lawyer floods the court with false accusations, not to win on merit, but to destroy your credibility before your voice is even heard. These lies serve two strategic goals. First, to overwhelm you emotionally and mentally. Second, to bury the real facts of the case so the judge only sees a distorted version of who you are. And once those lies are repeated often enough, they can even end up in court orders. Why? Because many judges trust lawyers to write those court orders, especially when the other party is representing themselves. Unethical lawyers don't just bend the rules, they turn them into weapons, twisting things to their advantage. They'll say they served you exhibits you never received. And, well, they'll misrepresent facts, mixing a single truth with multiple lies. And once you confirm that one truth, they tell the judge, "See, he agrees with everything we said." These lawyers prey on more than your emotions. They prey on your finances. They know that litigation is expensive, and the longer they can keep it going, the more they get paid. And here's the part most people miss. It's not just low-income individuals who suffer. People with resources become their primary targets. Why? Because they know you can pay. They use something I call discovery warfare. That's when an attorney sends you endless document requests, even for things you can't realistically obtain. Then, they run to the judge and say, "You're not complying." Even if you did comply, they may lie and say you didn't. And many courts don't even verify before granting sanctions or orders against you. They'll judge shop, handpicking the judge they believe will favor their motion. And yes, they'll schedule hearings knowing you can't attend, just to win by default. The goal? To paint you as someone who doesn't follow court orders, someone in contempt. So the court ignores your evidence and gives the other party everything they want. You become the villain, even when you're the one fighting for truth. And if you ever try to defend yourself emotionally or raise your voice out of frustration, that becomes proof in their eyes that you're unstable. Document everything. Keep records of every email, every court filing, every communication, and make sure to have a court reporter at hearings. Never respond emotionally. Respond with evidence, even when it hurts. Learn the rules, and learn how they're being misused against you. Expose wrongdoing, not through personal attacks, but through documentation and procedure. And if a lawyer is threatening or intimidating you, don't panic. Document. Report it. Don't let fear silence you. But I've also seen something else. A growing number of people, like you, who are waking up, who are documenting, who are fighting back, not with rage, but with truth. To the good lawyers and honest judges, this message is for you too. You don't deserve the stain of corruption brought on by a few bad actors. Let's protect the integrity of our legal system together. If you believe we need a better, more honest legal system, then be part of the change. Like this video to push this message further. Comment below with your story. Share this with someone who's fighting for justice. Subscribe to join our movement. We're building something powerful here. If you believe we need a better, more honest legal system, then be part of the change. Like this video to push this message further. Comment below with your story. Share this with someone who's fighting for justice. Subscribe to join our movement. We're building something powerful here. Because the law should protect the people, not prey on them. Let's bring the ethics back. Stop corruption, legal ethics, court reform, justice for all.